Hello and welcome back. In this section, we are going to learn about Intune device enrollment process. So to begin with Intune enrollment device process, there are different types of enrollment options we have. Out of that, we are going to learn about starting with Apple enrollment and followed by Android, Windows, and also we are going to look at the terms and conditions. So you can look at here in the Android as well as the Windows enrollment. So we are going to configure in the upcoming sections all these things, including terms and conditions when a user trying to enroll. Also, we would look at the enrollment restrictions, which is very critical in this case. For example, by default, there are only 5 users can only enroll on any of the devices. So that means it's user based. User can have maximum of 5 devices, not more than that. If you want to increase those restrictions, you can do that. So such things we would be discussing in the upcoming uh, sections or lectures in fact. And device categories, let's create the device categories. These device categories are very important when an enrollment is happening for any of the device. For example, I can name it here as finance. So this finance users from the finance department, while they are enrolling, they can see that. Similarly, IT department or HR, all these guys, when they are trying to enroll, they would easily select the required. Based on the category selections, the required policies automatically can be applied. Let's say example, there is a user coming from HR department, has a different policies. Maybe we are allowing them to communicate over the email, or we are adding additional applications. So that verification would be makes easy for them. Since it's going to be a self-enrollment process, it makes very easy. Let's have a look on corporate device identifiers. For example, if as a corporate company we can buy or we can get the devices directly from the manufacturing or maybe from the sales department. If they acquired maybe hundreds of devices, that would definitely carry IMEI number or some kind of serial number. So if we start importing them into our Intune will automatically identify when they try to enroll these devices, that gets automatically applied the required policies, and it makes very easy for the end user to get it enrolled. So let's click on add to import. I mean, we just need to check it how it works. For example, CSV format, or you can enter manually IMEI number here, or maybe you can also enter the serial number if you have the serial number from anyway. That would makes easy for us to import the process, and also it would be definitely into CSV format. And there is another option which is called device enrollment manager. With the device enrollment manager, you have maybe, for example, there could be some users they wanted to enroll more than 5 devices. By default, under enrollment restrictions, we have configured for all devices only 5 devices can be enrolled, but there could be some maybe kiosk users or maybe kiosk testers or QA testers. They might need to enroll more than 1 device, or maybe there could be some kind of purpose where they wanted to have more than 5 definitely machines. In such situations, you can add here directly, so that there will not be any restrictions, or it would be a maximum of 1000 devices, whatever it can be supported. This concludes the device enrollment options what we have with Microsoft Intune. And the next upcoming sections would be, we start with Apple enrollment, followed by Android enrollment, and also we do the Windows enrollment options. That's what we are going to try. This is where you're going to give the user account, so that device enrollment managers will have more devices can be enrolled. Thank you for watching this.